Welcome back, guys. I'm in Northampton. I'm doing a delivery. I feel like a right wazzock. I'm pulling this up to the market. When I get up near the market, I'll show you the pod where Steve set up and sells the cheeses and the jams and stuff. Yeah, I'm going to do delivery. 3 deliveries today. We're doing better. I feel like an old granny pulling a granny trolley. This is Northampton Market Square. Through the little alley. Quite a nice place, Northampton. It's used to be Roman, all this area. When they were digging up the market and redoing it, they found all the old history from the shoe business from Northampton. And this is the market. Oh, it's a bit busier today than it was the other day. So we got to take this over to them little pods over there. When I was a kid, I'll come to that building over there, to the army recruitment place, to try and join the army, but couldn't join because I got 4 kidneys. Alright, so we're up here, we're in the market. So this way now looks like they're setting up ice ring. So it's good, he sells a bit here. Let's have a little peek on him. What's he doing? But he's sat on his phone. Oh no, look. Got our video. Oi, put that down. Oh, you've not got much honey in here, look. He's not got much honey, look.
What if you already haven't bring this up?
Let's have a look at Stevie's products. How are you, Stevie? You alright?
Yeah. Well, you got to.
Yeah. All of this stuff is all local products.
We've got ice rink tomorrow.
Yeah, ice cream tomorrow.
Yeah. And silent disco and...
Silent disco.
Yeah.
Look at that now, see people, doesn't that look so much better with all that on a shelf?
The only place you can get it in Northampton.
The only place you can get it in Northampton. Did you
Are you
hear that,
recording that?
people? I'm recording that. You can get it in Wellingborough though, because I'm going there next to stock her up. Right, so welcome back again. I've got a second delivery now to the Bee Friendly store. We're in the Panda with its 12 months MOT. So this is where it is. It's a retail outlet in Wellingborough. It's an old industrial building. I can't remember what the building was, but I'll find out. And the Bee Friendly store is in this little pod. I'm not going to take no video in there. I might. But yeah, delivery. Right, so that's that delivery done. So it's a little shopping village in a old like siding sort of thing. I don't know whether it was a railway siding or what, but it's quite busy. They've got a tuk-tuk there. What am I, tuk-tuk? It's quite busy. It's quite busy. There's quite a lot of shops down here now. That's delivery number 2 done, and then we got another delivery down to the calf where in the town where I live. Right, so next delivery is here at Wendy Lou's, where we did the market stall outside on 1940s Day, me and Owen. We'll just take that, deliver that, and we got a delivery from to give her from Friar's Farm as well. So that's delivery done. That's delivery done to Wendy Lou's. Desborough High Street. On tour of the High Street. Driving and cameraing. There's a Golden Scissors Turkish Barbers, you know. So all the deliveries were done. Everybody was happy with their honey products. All in all, a good day. Tomorrow I'm going off to gas vat all the hives, so I'll do a little video on that. If anyone wants to watch it, they can come and watch it.